Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 1 minute so the electronics reset. Next, remove the rubber cup holder liner and pry out the ashtray panel carefully to expose hidden screws. Now focus on the shift knob. Some W204s have a release button, others screw off counterclockwise. Apply steady force while supporting the selector boot. Once the knob is free, tuck wiring aside and unzip, or unclip the boot to reveal the next fasteners. Keep screws organized for reassembly. Once the shift boot is opened, remove the exposed screws beneath the ashtray, near the front of the armrest, and under any small trim covers. Use plastic trim tools to pry side panels and release clips without scratching surfaces. As you lift the center console edges, disconnect climate control, seat heater, and any auxiliary power connectors. Label each plug so you know where it returns. Keep an eye on hidden screws under rubber pads. Once all bolts and plugs are free, you can lift the console straight up to access the wiring and handbrake area. With most fasteners removed, lift the console evenly from the rear toward the front while watching for any wiring harnesses or parking brake cables that may snag. If a connector resists, stop and locate its clip. Never yank. Once out, inspect clip tabs and replace any broken pieces so reassembly is secure. If you encounter electrical issues after reinstalling, make sure grounds and all connectors are fully seated. A loose plug is the most common cause of a non-working switch or light. Test before finalizing trim.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.